Hey guys, it's your boy MCJ back with another video, and today guys I'm going to be teaching you how to use GarageBand. So firstly guys, you want to open up the app. After you open the app, it would bring you onto this. So guys, first you want to press this lovely boot icon right here. So after you press that, you want to go straight onto keyboard. And then guys, after that you want to make sure your settings is alright. So you go into the settings bar and then you see C major. So you want to start with C major, probably change the tempo to 130. And then guys, you want to go on to this kind of mixer bar, this kind of mixer bar thingy icon right here. And then after that you want to press track settings. Then you want to go to quantization, and then you want to press straight and then 1/4, which is right here. Then you want to go back to your keyboard, and then after that you can play anything in the key of C. And then hopefully if you play out of time, maybe like use a metronome to help you. And so it's great, you know, because like other producers use this kind of software, but it might be big on, like they might use like their laptop or computer. But let's focus on this. So you want to press the record button and then record anything in the key of C. So obviously guys, it might not make sense at first, so if you want to change it, it might be best to put it back on, like you could go higher. So you go back into the settings bar, go to quantization, then you go back to straight and then change it to 1/8, and that might be better. So let's see. Yeah, so it makes sure your pattern is how you wanted it to be, so that's better. So you want to just press play, and then after that you want to go back to this. You want to press this icon right here, and then you want to go to drums, and then you hear the beat, and then you can see like so you already got your snare type of beat. So let's start, because you already got a snare beat. So oops. Oh Lord. So you want to make sure really you keep all your type of sections or your type of drum beats separate, so you don't get them mixed up. So let's say this is the snare, as you can hear. Let me pause that. So this is the snare. So let me rename that. Snare. If you don't know how to rename, just tap lightly. You got automation. Oops, wrong one. You got rename, and then you rename it to snare, and then after that you want a kick. You want a nice umphy kick, you know. So let's go. So after you got your nice kick, you want a little hi-hat going. So let's see, let's go to hi-hat and start again. So I already got my hi-hat. it might be a little laggy. So after you got your hi-hat, you really want a nice bass, so you go back to the plus icon, you go to keyboard, and then you go to classical piano, like the icon, and then you find alchemy synth, however you say it. Probably could rename it, so I'd be like synth number 2, and then you go to bass, and then you press A08. So I like A08, so I recommend A08. So now that we got our bass, let's play. So I did like that song, retry. Nah, I messed up there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah guys, that's how you make a beat. So hope you guys enjoyed. And yes guys, I'm going to show you the surprise. So guys, this is one of my beats I have made. Yeah, it was recently this one, so yeah. Comment down below how you liked it and enjoy. So guys, this is like a basics of one of my beats. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and peace. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a blessed one, and hope you learned a lot from GarageBand. And there's going to be a part 2 next week or after next week. But guys, keep in tune with my YouTube channel, and I'll do other videos like piano, bass, and yeah guys, keep loving music and peace. Yo guys, it's boy MCJ. Thank you guys for watching the video, and guys, I hope you enjoyed it. I learned a lot. And also guys, thank you guys for the 150 subscribers, and guys, let's get to 106. Come on, you can do it. And also guys, don't forget about the 200 subscriber giveaway. And also guys, let's stay positive even though we're on lockdown. Keep positive, keep a focused mind, focus on yourself and your family, and be there for others. And don't let this bring you down, because guys, there's someone greater than this coronavirus, and that's God and Jesus. And guys, let's believe and hope that we'll get through this, and keep on believing, keep on staying positive, keep on staying active. Yeah, active. And guys, bless and peace. Also guys, I want to give out a shout out to Malachi, Daniel and the Brent factor. So go hit them up in the socials below. And yeah, peace.